Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix your Reddit app if it's not showing communities on that app. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first method guys is to go ahead and go over to the Reddit app. Long press that and let's go ahead and go over to I. So make sure to go ahead and select that. Or you can just simply go ahead to your settings and app manager and search for your Reddit app. After that, go over to storage, clear data. So you just have to clear data here. So clear cache first, okay. And then proceed to clear data here and then hit OK. So this will not affect your account. It will just log you out and you just have to log in again. This will hard reset the app and most probably that will fix your issue. And then the next step for that method is to go ahead on Reddit and then go ahead and go over to here in the upper right side your profile, go over to settings, and then go ahead and go over to this one, account settings for your profile, and then go ahead and scroll down until you see enable home feed recommendation. You just have to disable it and that should fix the issue guys. So there guys, so that is the first method. If that still does not work, then that is most probably the version of your Reddit. So you can try go ahead and update to the latest version if you are not yet updated yet. But if not, then I suggest to go ahead and go over to up to down here. And you just have to go ahead and search for older versions of the Reddit app. You just have to search what I did on up to down, or you can go to uptodown.com, and then here listed are all the versions that you can download that is older than the updated version today. So you just have to download this APK and just have to wait for the installation to finish. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.